Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Start by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Over here you need to type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!